Tired of just saying, "You're beautiful"? Let's spice it up with 50 incredible ways to compliment someone, formally, informally, and playfully. Whether you're talking to a friend, partner, or colleague, we've got you covered. Let's start with formal and classy compliments. These words are great for polite conversations, professional settings, or simply when you want to sound elegant and respectful.
You look absolutely beautiful today.
You look so cute in that hoodie.
You've always had such a pretty smile.
You looked gorgeous at the wedding.
That dress is stunning on you.
You and your dog look absolutely adorable together.
She's not just smart, she's very attractive too.
You've got a lovely energy about you.
You look perfect in that moment.
You're glowing, honestly radiant.
You look fantastic today, as always.
You've always been a good-looking guy. Thanks, you're pretty handsome yourself. Wow, that view and your dress, both breathtaking.
She's not just pretty, she's captivating.
That necklace makes you look so dainty and elegant.
You look dazzling under those lights.
Your eyes are striking. I couldn't look away. He's got those dreamy eyes, doesn't he?
Now let's turn up the heat. These are informal and fun adjectives people use in casual chats or when flirting. They're bold, modern, and full of confidence.
You look hot in that jacket.
That outfit is banging.
Look at you, sizzling with style today.
You're looking foxy tonight.
He was totally smoking in that suit.
Bruv, she's peng.
He's not just nice, he's fit. Up next, nouns people use to describe someone attractive, from a stunner to a snack. These terms are playful, modern, and full of personality.
Wow, you're a stunner in that dress.
He's such a hottie, it's unfair.
You're a total babe tonight.
You look like a goddess today.
You're a real head-turner in that outfit.
She's not just beautiful, she's a worldie.
Honestly, you're a perfect 10.
He's just pure eye candy.
You're looking like a whole snack today. Finally, let's explore some phrases and expressions that go beyond one word. These are the lines that make someone smile, blush, or feel truly seen. You look as lovely as ever.
You're to die for.
You are drop-dead gorgeous.
You are easy on the eyes.
You are out of my league.
You brighten up the room. You've got that glow.
You've got a face for the big screen.
You look absolutely smashing. You're looking sharp.
You've got model vibes.
You've got that charm.
Everything about you is magnetic.
You're glowing today.
You're effortlessly stunning. You've just learned 50 incredible ways to tell someone they're beautiful. From sweet to spicy, formal to flirty. You've now got a compliment for every situation. Try them out and remember, your words have power.